Hello viewer, welcome to Samuel Academy. In this video, I want to explain how you can file your KRA returns on iTax. I'll do that in very simple steps that you can follow and file your returns. You go to your browser and open iTax. When you open iTax, that window will open. Now in this window, there's a place for you to fill your KRA PIN. So you are supposed to enter PIN or user ID. So you type your KRA PIN here. After that, you click continue. When you do that, you are going to have the following window which will open. So this window which opens has your KRA PIN here. It appears here. And then below it, there's a place for you to write your password. So you type your password here in this space. After that, there is some arithmetic below it for you to do. Like in this case, we have 45 minus 11, you write 34. Alright, after that, you click login. When you click login, the following window will appear. If you have used the right PIN and the right password and the right arithmetic, you click login, the following window will appear. Okay, this is the window which will appear, and what you do, you go down here at the bottom left and click on this icon, e-return. When you click on it, the following window will open. Now in this window, we have this place for e-returns. Type itself, taxpayer PIN will be populated here, and then tax obligation you are supposed to select. So in this case, you select income tax resident individual. You will select here. You will click this arrow, this down arrow, and select income tax resident individual. Alright, after that, you click next. When you do that, that window will open. Now in this window, we want to download an Excel file that we are going to use to file our returns. So at this point, we have this point, click here. After item 5, we have this point here to download income tax resident individual form Excel. So you click here. When you do that, in order to download the income tax Excel form, that is what will happen. So the form is going to be downloaded and saved in your documents. So you go to your documents, you find the Excel file there. So you double click on this file. Okay, this Excel file, you double click on it to open. And when you do that, you will find that a window which will open. That is Section A, Part 1, Return Information. So in this section, you are supposed to give some details. Alright. So the first one is the personal identification number, your PIN. So you write your PIN here, right? And then you choose the type of return. In this case, it is original. So you choose original. Return period, you write 1st January, the year in question. That is 01 stroke 01 stroke 2023, for example. And then return period 2, in this case it is 31st December, the year in question. So you write 31 stroke 12 stroke 2023. Okay, after that, let's see what happens in that same window. So you have written your PIN here. You have selected the type of return, it's original. You have written the return period from, you have written 01/01/2023. You have written return period to 31/12/2023. Now the next thing you need to do on this form is to go to this point, number 13. Do you have an insurance policy? So you choose yes. You choose yes because of the NHIF. After that, you click next. Down there, you click next, and you have that window which will open. This window, you are supposed to give the details of employment income for self. So the first column, the first row, you are supposed to write the PIN of employer. Then the second column, the first row, you are supposed to write the name of the employer. And then this column here, the third column, first row, you write your gross pay. That gross pay, you get it from the P9 form that the employer gave to you. Write your gross pay here, and then you write here 0. You write here 0 like that. You also write here 0, that is pension. You write 0 if you didn't have any pension. Okay, and then finally, at this point, we have the total gross pay, total employment income here. But below that, we have this section for January to June income. You write it here. You write it here from the P9 form. And then we have January to June pension. If it is 0, write 0. July to December income, you write it here. And these two values for January to June and July to December income, their sum should be the same as the total employment income. After that, you click next, and when you click next, you will have that window which will open for computation of insurance relief. So when you are there, you write the PIN of the insurance company. In this case, NHIF. Its PIN is P0510992232D. I repeat, PIN for NHIF is P0510992232D. You write it here. Then the name of insurance company is National Hospital Insurance Fund. Type of policy, we have life, education, health, and so on. So you write health. Alright. Now, next is the insurance policy number. You write your membership number here. Okay, policy holder, either self, wife, or a child. You write self. And then we have a place for commencement date. So you write 01/01 and the year in question, 01/01/2023, for example. And then we have this column H, maturity date. You write 31st December, the year in question, in this case 31/12/2023. And then you have the sum assured in Kenya shillings. You write 19,300. And then finally you write the annual premium paid, which is 19,300. Then you click next. When you do that, you have that window which will open. So in that window, section M, details of pay deducted at source from salary for self. So in this column A, you write the PIN of employer. Next column here, you write the name of the employer. Next column here, you write the taxable salary. That is the gross pay from the P9 form. You write it here. And then next, we have tax payable on taxable salary. From P9 form, you write it here. And then the amount of tax deducted, that is the payee. From the P9 form, you write it here. Alright. After that, you will click next. And when you do that, the following window will appear. That is tax computation. Section T, tax computation. Alright. So in this section, you are going to write the amount of pension defined or pension contribution at the top here. That is section 11.1, defined or pension contribution. So what you write here is the actual contribution from the P9 form. And then you come down here at section 12.6, personal relief. Now from your P9 form, you write the amount of personal relief, which is 28,800. After that, you come down here and then you validate. Alright, so you click on validate. When you click on validate, this is what is going to happen. Okay, the system will ask you, it will tell you that sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate upload file? You click yes. Alright, after that you will find that a guide, that statement, that you will find your zip file here somewhere that is saved on your computer. So when you do that, the next step is that when you click next, after validation, you will find that window will open. So in this window, the return period is populated, as well as the return period 2, from and to. What you need to do here is to choose file. So you click choose file here, and then go to the place where the file was saved on your computer. And then you check here, I agree to the terms and conditions. You check here. After that, you find that you need to submit. So you go down there on that page and submit. When you submit, that is what is going to happen. You will find that window which shows that the return is receipt has been generated. And then you can choose to download that receipt. When you do that, it will be downloaded, showing your filing of returns. Okay, so you can do some survey, or you can say not now, and then you can log out. That's how you can file your income tax returns on iTax. Now if you have enjoyed this video, you can like, leave a comment, and subscribe so that this video is recommended to many other viewers. Thank you so much.